What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today I have a quick and important topic for you, and it's about media. Well, good, fast, and reliable media, to be exact. I want to say thank you to Angelbird for sending these cards out to check it out and overview for you guys. I had these cards for 4 months, so Angelbird, sorry I took so long, but I really wanted to use them extensively and see if, I would have come, with any issues with the cards whatsoever. And I actually have to say that so far so good. I haven't had no drop frames, no corrupted files, and very reliable, actually, to be honest. These cards are nonetheless awesome. So I had these cards for 4 months, and I've been using it, like I said, exclusively with the Blackmagic Pyxis. You guys know that's the only card that it takes, but you can also actually connect a SSD on this side and connect it to your camera. But to me, I don't think that's a reliable way to have media. You could probably knock that cable and it starts recording, and you don't want to go through that stuff. These are secure. Once you insert them in the camera, they're not coming out, and you're good to go. It's just a peace of mind that you don't have to worry about drop frames or anything. I think these cards are rated to actually work perfectly with your Blackmagic Pyxis, and I actually can vouch for that. Like I said, I've been using them for 4 months, no issues whatsoever. I want to talk about the read and write speed of these cards. The read speed on these cards are rated 1,785 megabits per second, which transferring these cards, the media from these cards to your computer is going to be a breeze. I tested out with my MacBook Pro, no issues. My custom Windows PC, also not an issue. And like I said, copying files to it too is not a problem either, because it has a write speed of 1,550 megabits per second. So these cards are pretty fast for what you're paying. And I don't know if I mentioned the price, but these cards are only priced at $199 US for 1 terabyte. From a prestigious brand like Angelbird. Come on, guys, that is a no-brainer. And they're not paying me to say that. Me having them is making me say that, because like I said, I had them for 4 months exclusively using it with this camera. You guys know these Blackmagic cameras are very finicky when it comes to media. You have to make sure you have the correct media, because now you're gonna encounter corrupted files, but most importantly, you're gonna get those annoying drop frames. And I have a setting here that if it drops frame, I want the recording to stop, and I haven't had that issue whatsoever. And I've been, doing all my recreations that I love to do, which is very storage hungry. You know how B-raw it is. And I actually use them in all the codec modes. I actually did the constant quality and constant bit rate and through all their settings. And these cards, they perform 100% like they should. They're really good cards. They're very reliable. So there's not much for me to ramble about these cards, then nonetheless than to say that I do highly recommend these cards. And I'm sorry, I just tapped the microphone. Yeah. So guys, don't, skimp out on media. That's very important. The same way, your camera's important. Yeah, your lens, but the most important thing is your media. Don't skip out on media. I've had in the past bad media, going on me, and it sucks. You're doing an event and then you see, your media goes down. But I'm coming from the SD cards from Angelbird, so I knew that these cards will perform the same. So yeah, guys, if you guys are interested in these cards, I'm gonna leave a link in the description so you guys can check it out. No, I'm not making no commission on these cards, but hey, I want to recommend good product on my channel, and I think these AV Pro SE cards are an awesome product. So yeah, guys, this is gonna be it for me. I hope you found this video useful, informative, and if you did, go out there, create, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video.